Hi, my name's Connor Evans, and you're watching SWN Sessions, and this is my song, Another Chance. Subscribe here for more videos like this.
I could change what the future holds, feeling so out of place without you to hold. And now you're leaving, there's no chance for me then, I know. And you just walk away, leaving me behind, destroying hearts on the way with no care for mine. But I still need you, please buy a thing through, I know. I just don't know how to make this right, when all I ever wanted was you in my life. You just can't see what you meant to me. Chance I'm on my knees. Better, 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 better. Getting you back was out of the question, but I can't help it if my heart is aching. Just missing your touch, now I've said too much, I know. I just don't know how to make this right, when all I ever wanted was you in my life. You just can't see what you meant to me. Just give me one more chance, I'm on my knees. Just give me one more chance, I'm on